Black Friday is finally here, and we thought it'd be the perfect time to share 5 amazing kitchen gadgets, all with over 40% off right now. These deals are too good to miss, especially number 3. Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Smart Buy Saturdays, the day we spotlight trending deals and bestsellers worth checking out. Today we're looking at the top 5 Black Friday kitchen gadgets everyone's buying in 2025, all with big discounts. Check the description for the current prices because the special deals are live now. First up is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. This has been one of the most popular kitchen picks this Black Friday, and for good reason. You get 6 cooking functions in one: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, and it barely needs any preheating time. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, the touchscreen is intuitive, and even crisp technology delivers that perfect crunch with up to 95% less oil. Cleanup is easy because the basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe. It's currently 50% off, dropped from $150 to $75. Next is the Ninja SS4, a 1-footy blender and food processor combo. This one is built for serious blending and food prep. It has a powerful 1,600 peak watt motor with smart torque, so it doesn't stall, plus attachments for smoothie bowls, nutrient extraction, chopping, spreads, and more. You get 7 auto IQ programs and full variable speed control, making it extremely flexible for everyday cooking. Right now it's down from $260 to $150, which is about 42% off for Black Friday. Third on the list is the Vitamix 5200, and this is the one a lot of people wait all year to buy. It has a 2-horsepower motor, stainless steel laser cut blades, and a 64-ounce container designed to pull ingredients down into a perfect vortex. It handles smoothies, hot soups, sauces, nut butters, frozen desserts, just about anything, with professional-grade consistency. And the best part is that it cleans itself in under a minute. Normally $550, it's now $300, giving you a big 45% Black Friday discount. Coming in fourth is the Keurig K-Express coffee maker. This one is great for fast, simple, everyday coffee. You get 3 cup sizes, a strong brew option, a 42-ounce removable reservoir, and it's travel mug friendly. It brews quickly, shuts off automatically to save energy, and fits nicely on smaller countertops. It's currently dropped from $110 to $60, which is another 45% off deal. And finally, rounding out the list is the Magic Bullet 11-piece blender set. This is one of the best budget kitchen tools you can buy. It chops, blends, mixes, whips, and grinds using a simple 250-watt motor. It comes with multiple cups and lids, and it's perfect for quick smoothies, sauces, dips, and small batch prep. Right now, it's only $30, down from $50, giving you a solid 40% savings. So there you have it, 5 of the best Black Friday kitchen gadget deals of 2025, all with 40% plus discounts right now. You'll find all the Amazon links and current prices in the description, and I'll keep them updated as Black Friday continues. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.